Hey guys, Jacqie here. It's been a minute or two, or 24, 48, 72. I don't know, I don't do math well. It's been a minute. It's been a while. It's been too long. So, yes, today's video, we're doing this very blue halo eye using the Blue Moon Palette from ColourPop. Because I realized it is the last palette that I received that I never tried and made a video with. So I was like, hello, Jacqie, what are you waiting for? Christmas? Christmas isn't for blue. Well, I guess it is if you're cold. But anyways, so that is what... So that is what today's video is. If you enjoy it while you're watching, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, you can comment. Don't be afraid to comment, because I'll comment back. It's all good in this little hood. I don't live in a hood. Anyways, so yeah, if you enjoy beauty-related content, crazy ladies, and a whole lot of drugstore makeup and drugstore affordable makeup, then make sure you are subscribed. Yes, that's right. You gotta hit the subscribe button. And next to that is a little bell. Ring the bell and you will become part of the hashtag notification nation. And YouTube will alert you as soon as my videos go up. Okay, now that I've made the longest intro in the whole entire world, let's get into this video. Okay, so I just put on some e.l.f. putty eye primer, the use. And you know what I realized, which I'm sure I told you in the beginning. So I have a feeling I'm going to tell you then too. I never used the Blue Moon palette. I never did a look with the Blue Moon palette. What is wrong with me? So that's what we're gonna do today. I think I'm gonna start off with a little bit of the shade Starry Eyed. I wish this was a little more accurate. There we go. Starry Eyed. Okay, and we're gonna put that in our crease, and then yeah. Maybe. Or we're going to use it as a transition shade. Maybe we'll do that. Yeah, we're going to do that. I know what I'm doing, I swear. Maybe. Maybe not. Oh. So, I had intentions in making a video yesterday, but I ended up not being able to because I shut our water off because we have a water leak that we haven't been able to fix, and he said they had to shut it off until it's fixed, but because we're trying our best to get it fixed, and it should be fixed soon because we're gonna fix it somehow, they were nice enough to turn it back on. So yay me. Story of my life. If it's not one thing, it's another. But yeah, so I wasn't able to film or do laundry yesterday. My eyes are a little puffy today because I actually cried yesterday because I was watching 13 Reasons Why, the last season. And if you've watched it, you probably know what made me cry. I don't want to spoil anything for anybody, so I'm not gonna, not gonna say it. Why? I always have one eye more intense than the other, and it drives me crazy. Such a pretty light blue. Such a pretty blue. So, yeah, and anytime I cry, like the next day, my eyes are puffy. So, we got some puffy eyes today. So hopefully this look turns out okay. I think, because I think I want to do a halo. I've been doing halo eyes a lot lately, and they've been so pretty. I love me a good halo. So I think on the outer and inner, I'm gonna use, what is this? Fine China, which is this blue right here. Yeah. I'm gonna use that. Okay. So, yeah, that's why I haven't filmed this week. I've been a little preoccupied. You know how we do. Yeah, so we tried to fix it yesterday. Didn't quite work out the way we were hoping. So we're gonna have to fix it a different way. Story of our lives. I like that. I like that. And then in the inner corner as well. You know, a halo. Halo. Okay. Yeah, you're so weird. Oh, I picked at the skin on my nose a little too much yesterday, so that's gonna be fun to cover today. I don't know why I can't just ever leave it alone. Just leave it alone. So, it's Wednesday already. Wow, this week. I don't know why this week seems like it's going by fast, and I am already hot. It's supposed to be like almost. No, it's supposed to be in the 80s today. I'm drinking iced tea. Okay, it is super early. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. 8 o'clock in the morning. I got up out of bed at like 6. Why? I couldn't fall back to sleep. Okay, enough whining. Let's move on. Alright, in the center, I am going to use a shade Illumi, which is this white with a blue, like a super like light blue shift. Let's see if I can show you what I'm talking about. There, can you see the blue? There's a blue shift, I swear to God. It's not gonna pick up on camera because it's too subtle of a shift. But it's there, I promise. Okay, but I actually first want to use like a glitter glue. I notice it stays better when you add a little sticky glue. And there's like a hair. You guys seen that hair in the corner the whole time? Probably. Sorry. Okay, so I'm going to add a little hard candy glitter stay, which is what I always use. And I'm just going to dot that right here in the middle where I really want that pigment to be. On both sides, of course. Okay. Makeup remover wipes. Who's not surprised? Me. Okay. I'm gonna go in with Illumi. And I almost said a really bad word. I almost said the other word. Oh wow, I do really love that. This is really similar to a look I did not that long ago. I told you I had a blue shift. You can see it now, can't you? Can't you? Okay. So now I'm going to blend the edges with that blue that we used in the inner and outer corner. So pretty. Alright, just going to take that brush and kind of try to blend edges. Ah, yes. Ah, yes. Perfect. Oh, yeah. Okay, and now we're going to go in with Clued In, that darker blue, and we're going to add just a little more definition to the outer and inner corner. I am warm. And yeah. Inner corner as well. Don't forget that inner corner. My son is. The new season of Fortnite came out and he is like so excited, which is part of the reason why I was up so early. Because so was he. So excited for the new season of Fortnite. Yes, definition, that is it. We like it. My skin, like my scalp, has felt so dry lately. It's weird. It feels like I have like a dry scalp, but I don't have like dandruff. I don't know. It's really weird. Any ideas? Anybody? Let's take a little bit of that transition crease shade and do a little edge blending, shall we? Wow, so pretty. Okay, there's that. Now I have to curl my eyelashes, put on some mascara. Alright, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to curl my lashes, put on mascara, do the rest of my face, and then come back and we will finish. Okie dokie. So as you can tell, wow, my brows are so different. Have I ever noticed that? I'm sure you have. Okay, so the rest of my makeup is done. And now we're going to finish the bottom lash line, and that will be our beautiful look. Okay, so I think on the bottom, I'm going to do some of the fine china, which is the one that we used, you know, to blend that halo out and put in part of the outer and inner corners. I think I will also on the outer corner just add a little glued in, just to kind of connect the outer corner to the bottom. I have the perfect liner for this too. Hopefully it's not too much. I'm always like slouching. So sorry. I suck at doing the bottom lash line without slouching for some reason. I don't know why. Okay. Now I'm gonna take just this, what we use for the transition shade, and I'm not gonna add anymore. I'm just gonna use the brush to kind of soften the edges of this, just a hair. And then on the inner corner, I think I want to dab a little more of the Lumi shade, the one we used in the center, just on the inner corner. I just really feel like that'll look really cute there, you know, if it wanted to show up. Using a very pointy pencil brush, so maybe it's too pointy for to pick up any. What do we think? Just enough. I don't like this brush for that. You know what? We're gonna change it out. We're gonna use this e.l.f. concealer brush, which I would never use for concealer because it's so tiny. And we're gonna do that instead. There we go. There it is. Hello. Okay, so for the liner on the bottom waterline, oh, my back is absolutely killing me. I have this really beautiful, it is 525 Royal Blue Velvet Smooth Eyeliner, waterproof, by Kokie. Kokie Professional. This is beautiful, beautiful royal blue. It's just gorgeous. And so I'm going to put that in the waterline. All the way, too. I'm going to use the Covergirl Exhibitionist mascara for the bottom lash line. Everything I used on my face will be listed in the description box. Sometimes I remember to do that. Occasionally I don't, but most of the time I do. There are some videos I totally forgot. I was like, ah, crud. Ah, crud. Yeah, Jack. You don't sound old, not at all. Okay, so this is the final look. What do you think? It's very blue. I don't mind blue. It's okay. Some people can't pull off blue for whatever reason. I don't know if I can pull off blue, but I do it anyways. I don't care. So, okay. Yes, that is today's look. And of course, I really love these little ColourPop the palettes. Wow, Jacqie, hello. Has it really been that long? I guess it has. So, yeah, it's 9 o'clock. Wow, that took an hour. Okay, so that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. And, yeah. Don't forget, you can always leave a comment. I will comment back. Yeah. So I guess that's it for this video, and I already said that. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you are staying safe. I hope you're staying healthy, and I hope you are doing whatever your government is asking of you to do, which maybe stay home, maybe not. I don't know. It's different everywhere. So do what you gotta do to keep yourself healthy and safe, and yeah, hopefully you'll join me for my next video, and I also hope that you have a wonderful day.